From the cost to the results you get, it's important for you to have options when it comes to making dental care decisions. Dr. Manuel Bedoya and Mario Bedoya are here from Dedicated Dental Service to discuss what options you might have and how to choose what's right for you. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, Mario, let's talk about Dedicated Dental and their philosophy on things. You say you present options to customers, but you let them make the decision. What's behind that?
Well, I'll let Dr. Bedoya here answer. Dad, as he's the one who deals with the patients on a regular basis, so you can go ahead and take that question.
Thank you, Mario. Options. There's many options, especially in today's dentistry. But we have to always listen to the patient. As professionals, we can look in the mouth and see all kinds of things going on and treatment plan it accordingly. But what's important for the patient? Unfortunately, too many of my colleagues go into what they think is right for the patient and don't listen to the patient's needs.
Right.
Sometimes it's just simple cosmetic tooth in the front that the patient's concerned about. They're going to a wedding, they're going to a Christmas party, New Year's party, and they want to fix that dark tooth, that dark spot in the front.
Right.
So as dentists, we have to be very cognizant of that.
Of course, it's all about the image, and you know, people want to feel healthy too. It's really not just about the image. I stand corrected, because it helps them eat. It helps them feel confident. And Mario, let's talk about the business aspect of it. What goes behind business with Dedicated Dental?
Well, it's a business like any other business. What's a little bit different, it's healthcare to a degree, right? There's healthcare, there's traditional businesses. So it's a very intimate relationship. So we have to be very, to say customer service, that's a cliche nowadays, right? Good customer service is kind of an understatement. You have to be, I guess,
passionate.
A little more passionate, yes, but very, very in tune with I mean, you're inside the patient's mouth. It's a very close, when the dentist is working with you, I mean, they're right here, right? So it's very, very unique in that sense. Keeping in mind that as a business, we are in business to make money, right? So we have to keep all those factors in mind, but more importantly, it's understanding that that patient is important to a degree, not just satisfying them from giving them the service that they want, but keeping a fine line between that intimacy.
I know exactly what you're saying. Making them part of the family, making them feel like they're really taken care of by people who actually care what they look like and care what the results are. And of course, you know, with the new year, people are making all sorts of resolutions. What would you recommend, Dr. Bedoya, for people and their teeth? What advice would you give them to be healthier, to have a better smile, etc.?
Prevention. It's human nature to procrastinate on everything, especially the teeth. And I see toothaches all the time, where a little cavity could have been fixed for simple filling. They wait because it's not hurting until it does hurt. Then it's involved a root canal crown, which, of course, the cost is exponential.
Right.
Prevention. That's the best.
Prevention. That's pretty much, I think, any doctor would tell you that taking care of yourself before the fact will lead to better results in the future. And so, you know, of course, we were saying it's like a family experience when you go there. You really care about every patient. You're going to get a different service there, a different treatment than really any other dentist in town. So, gentlemen, thank you for giving us great smiles for all these years. You're going to continue to do that, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Alex.
Absolutely.
Happy holidays.
You as well. At Dedicated Dental, you can always get a free consultation and free second opinions, and as a special for the new year, you can get 10% off any dental implants if you schedule by January 21st. To learn more, call 520-750-1500 or visit dedicateddental.net.